I am back with the ttcing vlogs. God, I've missed doing these videos so much. So as you guys may or may not know, I have an, I think 9-week-old now. How crazy is that? And a lot of you guys are still messaging me, you know, you guys are keeping really strong and being like, I am still ttcing, I'm still going. You guys have, you know, told me about your miscarriages and things like that. And obviously, as you guys know, or may not know, I've had 4 miscarriages, so I've been pregnant 7 times altogether. And I had Harry first, and then 2 losses, then Charlie, then 2 losses, then Olivia. So I've been through it all, I know exactly what you guys are going through. And I'm here today to do another ttcing video for you, because I know you guys have missed them so much. So, here I have the Clear Blue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test. It comes with a little tester stick like this, and then in here is the 26. Now I actually used these when I got pregnant with Olivia, and a lot of people, I've also got a cheapie here, and a lot of people say like, oh, which should I use? Now I like these, and I think this is actually a different brand, but there's the one-step ones that I like. Now if you test with a couple of different brands of cheapies, you're going to get different results, probably because of like different prices and things like that, and different like amounts of dye. But basically what I do is I stick to one brand and then just use it throughout that cycle, and then when I'm starting to get a little bit closer to like ovulation, where the lines are getting a lot darker on the test line, I then go on to these, because these, oh, guys, I know they're really expensive, right? And I will be doing a giveaway with these. They actually go out of date next year, so, and this is a box that got me pregnant, so I feel like it's a lucky box, guys. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so all you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give me a little comment down below and tell me if you guys are ttcing or not at the moment, and kind of your story. I'd love to know. It also comes with this. I won't open this one, I'm going to use a different one. So, a lot of people ask me, when is the best time to take an ovulation test? Now, I always like to test first thing in the morning, because I feel like it's going to give me the strongest line, but actually that's not the case. Your LH levels actually are highest at around 11 o'clock in the morning. This is what I found personally for myself, and you know, with subsequent pregnancies it was always around 11 o'clock, so I would do, say, like a first wee, second, it'd be about my second or third wee of the day. This will give you a better result and a more like accurate result. You can also take ovulation tests in the evening, and you'll get a perfectly good result as well. The other thing to consider is how much water you've drunk. So I wouldn't like neck 3 pints of water and then go pee, because it's going to dilute your urine a lot more. So I'll do a little test for you today. This is my very first ovulation test after having my baby, and I find that when I'm breastfeeding I don't ovulate, and it's just going to be really interesting actually just to see what it says. I'm going to dip it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. God, it feels like so long ago that I've done this. Let's pop that down there. A lot of people ask me as well, is it worth taking a supplement to kind of assist with getting pregnant? Now, the NHS website does encourage you to take folic acid up to 3 months before you actually get pregnant. Obviously you don't have to do that, and surprises do happen with pregnancies obviously, but that's just what they recommend. And I also took the folic acid one. It's in a little purple packet about this big from 7 Seas, and that's just what I used and it worked for me. Okay, so the control line has come up. Now with the cheapies I would give them a little bit longer to kind of develop. These ones, they will come up within like a set time and you will get your result. Now with these, when you take your very first one, it will give you a circle. This is completely normal. It's just kind of trying to gauge your LH kind of levels. When you take your second test, either, you know, that afternoon or the next day, which is a bit better, if you are starting to get close to ovulation, it will start flashing a smiley at you. And then when you get your peak, so when your LH surge is at its highest, just before you ovulate, it will give you a solid smiley. So it says it all here in the little boxes down there. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's UK only. I can't ship overseas, and do apologise for that. So I'm going to show you guys the ovulation test. It is still a little bit streaky, and that's really normal for cheap ovulation tests. It's because the ink runs across and it's very exposed to the air and things like that. As you can see, I'm actually nowhere near to ovulation because there's the control line there, and then there should be like a second line about here, but there isn't, because generally I don't ovulate when I breastfeed. If they say on the government website, if you exclusively breastfeed every like 2 to 4 hours, day and night, then your cycles won't return until you actually stop breastfeeding, which was the case for me when I had Charlie. When I had Harry, I exclusively breastfed for a little bit, and then we kind of combination fed because he was losing weight, and then that's when my cycles start coming back. So yeah, I do hope this answers some of your questions that you guys have been sending me. Please do keep asking me questions. Send it to my Instagram, Rainbow Babies page, all the links down below, and also put little comments in this video, and good luck to the giveaway, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!